Straddling Clark and Marathon counties, Abbotsford is a small city of just more than 2,000 people, and one of the areas in central Wisconsin grappling with the COVID-19 pandemic. News Channel 7's Naomi Coles joins us now live from Abbotsford with more. Naomi?
Yeah, Jeff, as you mentioned, it's a small community, and about at least a quarter of whom is Hispanic, and they're one of the hotspots emerging right now in both Clark and Marathon counties. Now, community leaders say the situation can be a bit complex, and that's due in part to it being a diverse community and then also it falling into two different health department jurisdictions. Abbotsford straddles two counties and two census tracts where COVID-19 activity is high. The Department of Health Services in Wisconsin lists more than 50 cases in the region where Abbotsford falls on the county line between Clark and Marathon, one of the hot spots for both counties.
We have 2 full-time public health nurses that are doing contact tracing, and then 2 other public health nurses that are helping as time allows.
Despite the city falling into 2 health jurisdictions, departments don't cross county lines, leaving Clark with a lot of cases and fewer resources.
It's a smaller department. That's just the nature of what it is.
And in a rural town where not everyone has internet, Mayor Lori Voss says it's impossible to reach everyone with the best ways to stop spread, and sometimes people are just tired of hearing about it.
That's my concern, is how do you reach everyone? I mean, I don't want anybody to lose their life. I don't want anybody to be sick. It's really hard. I don't want anybody to lose their job. I want people to remain employed.
We try in multiple different ways and different mediums, but still there are people who are just, we can't reach.
At the end of May, multiple COVID-19 cases were announced at Abbeyland Foods. And COVID-19 is having a big impact on the Hispanic community, advocates say.
There's a lot of people that will not keep a quarantine or isolation because, of course, they say, if I don't go to work, I'm not going to get any food, or I can't provide for my family.
In Abbotsford, the editor of a regional Spanish-language newspaper says there's been 2 deaths among those who lived or worked here.
A couple of days after, one guy is dead. Now it's 2 people. And every day, more people is scared and don't know what they can do.
Now, one community testing event was already hosted in Abbotsford. That was back a few weeks ago, and now another will be coming to Abbotsford next week. That's going to be on Thursday and Friday. It's hosted by both county health departments, and then also in attendance will be Family La Clinica. They're going to be helping with English-Spanish translation. Live in Abbotsford, Naomi Coles for News Channel 7.